Hello everyone, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is class pre-algebra lecture 2. In this class we will explain method of describing a set. Uh, First, actually we can describe a set we can describe a set into two methods. Number one, method, listing method. In this method, a set describing by listing the elements separated by comma and enclosed within braces. It is the first method, listing method. In this method, a set describing by listing the elements separated by comma and enclosed within braces. Example 1. If A be the set of vowels of English alphabet, then A is equal to, we know the vowel of alphabet, English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. We list each number, each letters or each elements written inside the bracket of these two braces, and they separated by comma. It's called listing method of describing a set. Second method, rule method. In this method, we write down a rule, a property, or rule which gives us all element of the set. In this method, method, in this method, we write down, comma, we write down a property or rule which give us all elements of the set. Example 1. Here we list the element here. Now we can write A is equal to X such that X is vowel letters of English alphabet. English alphabet. It is actually here vowel letters is the property, joint property between all these elements. If example 2, example 2, B is equal to F be the set of days of the week, X such that X is days of the week, days of the week. It is another set. Now if we want to list the element of this set, we can write B is equal to Saturday, Sunday, comma Monday, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday, comma Thursday, comma Friday. It is the rule method, it is the listing method. Both of them we describe the CTB in these two methods. It was the method of describing a set. Two methods are there, listing method and rule method. In listing method, we'll write all elements inside braces, and in rule method, we write down the a property which give us all the element of the set. Next title is types of set. Here we want to explain the types of set. First one is empty set. A set contains no element is called empty set. Empty set, and it is denoted by this symbol or comma this symbol, or some others they write by this symbol, and some others shows empty set by this symbol. It is called empty set. Second one, singleton set. A set contains one element. one element is called singleton set. Example 1, a is equal to 3. It is a singleton set because it has one element. Third one, finite set. A set which contains finite number of element is called finite set. Note, in finite set we have a concept by the name cardinal or order. Cardinal or order of set. The number of element of a set, a finite set, is called cardinal or order of set, and it is denoted by NA. Example, A is equal to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, U, comma, U. It is the set of vowel letters. Then actually it is finite set because it has 5 elements. They are finite. The number of elements is finite. So here the cardinal of this set or order of this set NA. And A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 elements. Cardinal of this set is 5. It was the finite set. A set which contains finite number of elements is called finite set. Cardinal of set or order of set defined as the number of elements of a finite set is called cardinal or order of set, and it is denoted by NA, by NA. Example, A is equal to vowel letters, so NA, the cardinal of this set, is equal to 5. Fourth one, infinite set. A set contains infinite elements is called infinite set. Example, set of natural number is infinite set. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. It is called infinite set. Now we want to Fifth one is equivalent set. Two set is called equivalent if the number of is called equivalent if the number of elements are same, or if NA is equal to NB, then we say that A and B are equivalent. If the number of elements or cardinal of sets are equivalent, then we say that these two sets are equivalent. Sixth equal set. Two sets A and B are equal if every element of A is a member of B, and every element of B is a member of A. We write A is equal to B. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 A. B is equal to A 1, 2, 3. They have same number. This implies A is equal to B. It was the lesson of this class. Actually, in this class, first we learned about describing of a set, which was two methods, rule method and lesson method, and also types of set. We studied about empty set, singleton set,